Okay, this is to show how to get to this switches down here. I need to test the power liftgate switch and didn't see a way to get it off, so make a little video here for you. Seems it's pretty straightforward. This whole panel just clips in, so if you pull on the sides, both sides, this one has a pin that goes up in there. One more clip up here on this side, and you can put that to the side. Then the same on this lower panel around the shifter. You'll want to pull up on it. It just clips in. And that'll come out of the way. I just bought this car, so mind the dirt. Little cleaning before we put it together. Then you're going to have 4 torques, it looks like. Here, here, there, and right there. So we'll take those out. And we should be able to get to the back of that switch. Put them in your screw holder. Comes equipped with all traverses. Power liftgate, by the way, is not working with the key fob. Oh, I apologize. Just the 2 bottom ones need to come out here. And then we can slide this guy out. May have to take it out of gear here. Make sure your parking brake is on. Put it in neutral. And then we can get to the back of that switch for testing. Then just reinstall in reverse order. Alright, you guys have a great day.